Hello everyone. So today you are going to learn about Mendeleev's periodic law. This is the point from the lesson 5 periodic classification of element class 10th. Students, in the previous part you have taken the information about the O'Brien triads as well as Newland's law of octave. So here you are going to learn about Mendeleev periodic table. Even after the rejection of Newland's law of octave, many scientists continued to search for a pattern that correlated the properties of element with their atomic masses. Here, Mendeleev scientist, his complete name was Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev. He was a Russian chemist. He was the most important contributor to the early development of periodic table of element, wherein the elements were arranged on the basis of their fundamental property, the atomic mass, and on the similarity of chemical properties. Here you can see the Mendeleev periodic law states that the properties of element are periodic functions of their atomic masses, and this is the periodic table, Mendeleev periodic table. In this Mendeleev periodic table, the scientist Mendeleev, he had arranged 63 elements because at that time 63 elements were known. So he examined the relationship between the atomic masses of the element and their physical and chemical properties. Among chemical properties, Mendeleev concentrated on the compound formed by element with oxygen and hydrogen. Here you will take the more information about Mendeleev periodic table. The scientist Mendeleev, he classified 63 elements in the increasing order of the atomic mass and the similarities in their properties. Each and every element shows some properties. So what is the similarity in all those properties? On that basis and the increasing order of the atomic mass, on this basis the elements in the periodic tables are get classified by Mendeleev. Then the formulae of oxides and hydrides formed by the elements was also the basis for the classification of the element. The scientist Mendeleev, he selected hydrogen and oxygen as they are very reactive and form compounds with the most element. The formulae of the hydride and oxide formed by an element were treated as one of the basic property of an element for its classification. Next, the Mendeleev periodic table has some horizontal rows and some vertical columns. So the horizontal rows are called as here periods and the vertical columns are called as groups. So the groups 1 to 7 had two subgroups called A subgroup and B subgroup. Group 8 had 3 rows of element, and elements having the similar properties were placed in the same group. There are some spaces left vacant in the table to accommodate the elements to be discovered. Scientist Mendeleev left some gaps in his periodic table, and instead of looking upon these gaps as defects, Mendeleev boldly predicted the existence of some elements that had not been discovered at that time. So what are the merits of Mendeleev periodic table? The first merit is the elements were classified on more fundamental basis of their atomic mass and properties. So here you can see the elements in the periodic table of Mendeleev, they get classified on the basis of atomic mass and the properties. So next point is here, the spaces were left vacant to accommodate the element to be discovered in the future. So in the Mendeleev periodic table, some gaps are kept because of he predicted some elements which were not discovered at that time. That's why the gap, the left vacant space, was seen in the periodic table. It could predict the properties of element which helped in the discovery of new element. The next point is the inert gas element discovered later could be placed in a separate group without disturbing the table. And now defect of the Mendeleev periodic table. So before going to see the defect, here are the 4 points which you can say these are the merits of Mendeleev periodic table. The last point, the inert gas element discovered later could be placed in separate group without disturbing the table. Now the defect of Mendeleev periodic tables, which are those? Some elements are not arranged. Some elements are not arranged in increasing order of atomic masses. Example is given here, cobalt, which is placed before nickel, and if you see the place of cobalt and nickel, so the cobalt atomic mass is different, it is quite more than the nickel, so it was that defect of Mendeleev periodic table because the increasing order of atomic mass is not seen in case of cobalt and nickel.